everyone, welcome to another daily vlog. So, today is Sunday. The entire week was tiring and full of work. So, today I am going to do reset because from tomorrow onwards there will be midterm exam. Today I wake up, I think, late somewhere, and then I did all my morning routines or daily chores. I have my breakfast. Now I'm going to make my bed. So everyone, I went outside to buy some grocery. So now I will do grocery haul. So I have this big poly bag which is full of grocery. So I have brought half kg of cucumber, half kg oranges, one packet of suji, half kg onions, half kg tomatoes, half kg peanuts. To cut all the veggies, I have brought one knife. So these are my grocery haul. So I have brought all these items for my kitchen. Now I will arrange them in my kitchen. I have brought all these stuffs because I should cook something when I am free, especially on holidays. So that's why I have brought all these items. Now it's lunch time, so I have some rice and some veggies with some salad. So now I'm going to eat my lunch because I am feeling so hungry. Now I will roast these peanuts. So I have all my equipments. I have senda namak, fry pan. In this I have Shuddh Desi ghee. So now I will start cooking. So the pan is almost warm. Now I will use 1 or maybe 2 tablespoons of Shuddh Desi ghee. Now Shuddh Desi ghee is also warm. So now I will roast peanuts. Now this is getting roast, and now I will add pink salt in it. I have this pink salt from Yaosh. If you want to buy this pink salt, so I will put the link in the description box. So please check the description box if you are willing to buy this salt. Peanuts have been roasted properly by me. So now I will store these peanuts in airtight box. I have an update regarding UPES. So the admission for 2025 has begun. So all the candidates who are interested to take admission at UPS Dehradun, now they can start filling the forms because registration has been started. So if you are willing to take admission in any courses like BBA, BCom, MBA, BTech, MTech, LLB and many more, you can do registration. I will put link in the description box regarding registration, and if you have any query, so I will put contact details of the counselor. You can directly contact them and ask as many questions as per your requirement. They will resolve all your problems regarding registration, eligibility criteria, hostel, fee structure, any kind of question you can ask from them. They will try to help you. If you are willing to take admission at UPS in 2025, so please check the description box. So everyone, now it's evening time and I am feeling hungry. So I have this fun flips puffs in a flavor of masala. So I am feeling little bit hungry. I was thinking that I should eat this. So now I will eat this. It is little bit spicy because it has masala in it. So if you like this kind of taste, so you should try this. Now I am done with munching snacks. So today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday. And from tomorrow onwards, my midterm exam will going to start. So in this year, I have 4 subjects. So tomorrow I have one subject midterm exam, and on Tuesday I have 3 subjects midterm exam. So now I am going to prepare the study material because again this is going to be open book midterm exam, but it has no benefit. Literally it has no benefit. Every professor has made question on the basis of application. There is no direct question, so there is no benefit of open book. And the fact is, this year there is no book of any particular subject in library. I went library so many times, but I didn't found anything for midterm exam. Like I don't have any study material. So our professor has shared some PPTs or some readings. So I'm going to read all of that and try to make some notes only. I Because there is no book available for any subject. Now I am totally depend on those PPT and those readings. Now I will make notes out of it. My laptop has no space, so now I will declutter my laptop to get some space. Now it's time for dinner, so I will eat my dinner. I am done with my dinner. So today is Sunday and today I am going to watch Roadies. Roadies is one of my favorite reality show. Now I will binge watch Roadies. So
So I have completed that episode of roadies, and now I am going to sleep because I am feeling so sleepy because today I did lots of work. That's why I hope you liked this video. If you did, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.